Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mechanical keyboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MCHOSE G75 Keyboard. The MCHOSE G75 mechanical keyboard is a compact 60% form factor gaming keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking precision, speed, and customization. It features Hall effect, magnetic switches, allowing for ultra-precise actuation with adjustable distances in 0.01mm increments, catering to gamers who require rapid and accurate key presses. The keyboard boasts an 8K polling rate in wired mode, ensuring minimal input lag and smooth performance. Its addressable RGB lighting offers vibrant and customizable lighting effects, enhancing the gaming experience. The Fun60 is compatible with various magnetic switches, providing users the flexibility to personalize their typing experience. Additionally, it supports tri-mode connectivity, including wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, making it versatile for different setups. The keyboard's hot swappable design allows users to easily replace switches without soldering, facilitating customization and maintenance. Overall, the MCHOSE G75 is tailored for gamers and typists who prioritize performance, customization, and a compact design. Number 2. MCHOSE ACE68 Keyboard. The MCHOSE ACE68 magnetic keyboard is a high-performance wired mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and enthusiasts seeking precision and customization. It features Hall effect, magnetic switches with an adjustable actuation point ranging from 0.01mm to 3.4mm in 0.01mm increments, allowing users to tailor each key's responsiveness to their preference. The keyboard boasts an ultra-fast 8000 Hz polling rate, ensuring a 0.125 milliseconds response time and a 128K sampling rate, which translates to near-instantaneous key registration, ideal for competitive gaming scenarios. The ACE68's compact 65% layout saves desk space while retaining essential keys for efficient typing and gaming. It supports multiple connectivity options, including wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, providing versatility across different devices. The keyboard also features customizable RGB lighting with 22 dynamic effects, enhancing the aesthetic appeal. Its hot swappable design allows users to easily change switches without soldering, accommodating various switch preferences. Number 3. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro is a full-size mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking versatility, customization, and advanced features. It offers triple-mode connectivity via USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. The keyboard features a hot swappable PCB, allowing easy replacement of switches, keycaps, knobs, and screens without soldering. It comes with dual TFT LCD screens, including a main screen that supports images and GIFs up to 15 MB, and a secondary screen functioning as a built-in calculator. 3 multifunctional knobs provide intuitive control over media and volume, while a split spacebar design adds flexibility. Equipped with PBT keycaps and hot swappable silent switches, the GK104 Pro ensures a premium typing experience, supported by a substantial battery for extended use, making it ideal for gamers and productivity-focused users alike. Number 4. MCHOSE G75 Pro. The MCHOSE G75 Pro is a high-performance mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts seeking customization, comfort, and versatility. Its compact 75% layout retains essential keys while minimizing desk space, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity. The keyboard features a gasket-mounted design with 5 layers of sound and shock-absorbing padding, delivering a premium typing experience with enhanced acoustics. Connectivity options include 2.4 GHz RF wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C wired, allowing seamless switching between devices. The hot swappable PCB supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, enabling users to personalize their typing feel without soldering. Durable double-shot PBT keycaps ensure longevity and resistance to wear, while vibrant RGB backlighting adds aesthetic appeal. With a substantial 8000 mAh battery, the G75 Pro offers extended usage, making it a versatile choice for users seeking a customizable and reliable keyboard. Number 5. MCHOSE ACE68 Keyboard. The MCHOSE ACE68 is a high-performance 65% mechanical keyboard tailored for gamers and enthusiasts seeking precision and customization. It features Hall-effect magnetic switches, offering adjustable actuation points in 0.01mm increments, allowing users to fine-tune their typing experience. With an 8000 Hz polling rate and a 128K scan rate, the ACE68 ensures ultra-low latency, providing a competitive edge in fast-paced gaming scenarios. The keyboard supports dynamic keystroke settings, DKS, simultaneous opposite key detection, SOCD, rapid switch, RS, tactile gaming layer, TGL, and multiple tap, MT, modes, enhancing its versatility for various gaming styles. Its hot-swappable PCB allows for easy customization of switches without soldering, and the RGB backlighting adds aesthetic appeal. The ACE68 is compatible with MCHOSE's M-Hub software, enabling further customization and control. Priced competitively, it offers a blend of performance and affordability, making it an attractive option for those seeking a responsive and adaptable keyboard.